In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix mouse double clicking when single clicking. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything that you're using. So what you want to go ahead and do, it can be very annoying, is firstly press your Windows key and R, and then we want to type in main.cpl, and this is going to show our mouse properties. Now, within the mouse properties area, what you want to go ahead and do is locate the double click speed category. So as you can see, it's right here. And all you want to do is drag the slider 1 or 2 ticks towards fast. Now, setting this threshold higher forces Windows to require both clicks to happen in a much shorter microsecond window, and this effectively filters out random, accidental double clicks by an unstable mouse switch. So just move it a bit to the right, and then you should be good to go. Now, what you can also do is disengage the hidden file explorer, single click to open protocol. So what we're going to do is press Windows key and E, and this is going to open up our file explorer. And then what we want to do is press these 3 little dots and then select options. Now, once you select options, it's going to look like this. Now look at the click items as follows: a banner, a configuration block on the general tab. Now, once you go ahead and see it, ensure the selection bubble is set firmly to double click to open an item and not single click. After that, you should be good to go.